In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion with ChatGPT using Zapier to automate workflows. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to enhance your productivity by automating processes between these two powerful tools. Let's dive right in. The goal here is to streamline your workflow by connecting Notion to ChatGPT via Zapier. If you're not familiar with Zapier, it's an online platform that allows you to connect different apps and automate repetitive tasks. Today, we'll focus on creating an automation, or as Zapier calls it, a zap. First, we need to decide on a trigger for our zap. In this case, we'll use the new item added to a Notion database as our trigger. This means that whenever you add a new item, Zapier kicks into action. So how do we set this up? Head over to Zapier's website and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it. Don't worry, it's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, click on Make a Zap to start building your automation. For the trigger app, search for Notion and select it. Then you'll choose the trigger event, New Database Item. Zapier will prompt you to connect your Notion account, providing authorization access to the databases you want to work with. Ensure the correct database is selected. This is where your trigger will act. Moving on, let's specify the action we want to take when a new item is added to Notion. Here we want to send the content from Notion directly to ChatGPT. So for the Action app, type in ChatGPT and select it from the options provided. Then choose Create Chat as your action event. Zapier will guide you through connecting to your ChatGPT account. Follow these steps to complete the connection smoothly. Now it's time to customize what happens next. When you send content to ChatGPT, it can then analyze this information and provide you with a summary, generate action items, or even draft AI-generated content. This is perfect for a multitude of scenarios. Picture creating an item in your Notion for meeting notes. ChatGPT can automatically summarize these notes for you, extract key action items, and even suggest next steps all from within Notion. Another popular workflow includes creating CRM leads that are converted into follow-up email drafts, or transforming research notes into key takeaways. Even better, you could use it to convert your blog ideas into structured article outlines, ready to expand into full pieces of content. This setup allows you to leverage AI capabilities directly in your daily operations, saving time and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now that you've set up your trigger in action, hit Test and Continue in Zapier to verify that everything is linked properly and working as expected. Once you're satisfied, all that's left to do is to turn on your zap. From now on, every time you add a new item to your specified Notion database, the automation goes to work, sending the details off to ChatGPT to generate and return insightful and handy information directly back into Notion. And there you have it. By integrating Notion with ChatGPT through Zapier, you're not just saving time, but also enhancing the quality of your outputs, letting automation take care of routine tasks while you focus on strategic objectives. Happy automating, and see you in the next video.